they should consider the recommendation of the Senate. The investigation was exhaustive. I think it has more than 9 weeks. 9 hearings from the beginning, and everyone was given an opportunity to speak. Our senators asked the toughest questions. At nakita ko in my analysis, ang bottom line dito, itong 12 pulis ay dapat nasibak at naparusahan.
Pero sir, you maintain that si General Albayalde should also be charged?
Yes, by virtue of command responsibility. Yes.
Sir,
he should be liable for his murder.
Sir, dun sa committee report kasi parang isa graft for Albayalde. Tapos isa parang violations of the drug law. Ano yung dapat na kaso sa kanya for graft lang, sir?
In my opinion, graft. But I will not close the doors to the violation of the anti-drug law because in recycling of illegal drugs will fall under the anti-drug law, dangerous drug law. And kung proven na konektado siya dito,